You think men only notice the woman wearing the tightest dress or the highest heels, right? Wrong. Here's the truth. Men notice the smallest things, little style choices that send a signal straight to his subconscious. It's not about showing more skin. It's not about being trendy. It's about subtle, almost invisible details that make him stop, stare, and think, there's something about her. And the best part, these tricks don't require a huge wardrobe or hours in front of a mirror. Once you understand them, you'll have men noticing you without even trying. Hey, beautiful. Welcome back to the channel where we uncover the psychology of attraction and decode what really makes a man look twice. Today, I'm going to share 7 subtle style tricks that make men notice you first. Not because you're the loudest in the room, but because you stand out in a way that feels effortless. These are not about wearing something outrageous. They're about mastering micro signals. The small style elements that speak louder than words. So whether you're gonna work, meeting friends, or running errands, these tips will have men thinking, wow, who is she? Ready? Let's start with the easiest one to master. 1. The power of a signature color. Here's something you may have never thought about. Men might not remember your outfit, but they'll remember the feeling your outfit gave them. And nothing imprints that feeling faster than color. Studies show men respond more strongly to certain colors, not because they're fashion experts, but because colors trigger emotions. Red, subconsciously associated with passion, energy, and attraction. Soft pastels make you appear approachable, gentle, and warm. Deep, jewel tones signal confidence and sophistication. But here's the real trick. Pick your color. The one that not only looks good on you, but makes you feel unstoppable when you wear it. When you consistently incorporate that signature shade, whether it's in your blouse, nails, or even a scarf, he starts to connect that color with you. Example, maybe it's that crimson red dress you always get compliments on, or that powder blue sweater that makes your eyes pop. Wear it intentionally and let it become your thing. Because here's the psychology. When a man sees that color, he won't just think it's pretty, he'll think of you. That's the power of a signature color. It's simple, yet it makes you unforgettable. 2. The effortlessly put together look. Now this one is a game changer. Contrary to what most women believe, men don't notice how long it took you to get ready. They notice how effortless you make it look. Here's the secret. The effortlessly put together look isn't about perfection, it's about balance. Think polished, not overdone. Hair that looks healthy and natural rather than stiff and sprayed into submission. Makeup that enhances your features instead of hiding them. Outfits that fit well, neither too tight nor drowning you. Why does this work? Because it sends a subconscious message of confidence. It says, I like myself as I am. I don't need to try too hard. When a woman looks high maintenance, some men see beauty, but also pressure. When you look effortlessly put together, men see comfort and charm. An example, a simple white tee tucked into fitted jeans, paired with clean sneakers and soft waves in your hair, can be more captivating than a flashy designer outfit. He says you're approachable, fun, and easy to be around. Remember, men may admire the woman who looks like she stepped out of a photo shoot, but they notice and often fall for the woman who looks naturally radiant. 3. Strategic use of accessories. Here's where the magic of subtlety really kicks in. Accessories are like whispers. Small, but they get his attention in the most powerful way. Why? Because men are drawn to details that stand out without screaming for attention. Think about it. A delicate gold necklace that catches the light when you laugh. A simple pair of earrings that frame your face perfectly. A scarf with an interesting texture draped casually over your shoulders. These tiny touches create visual anchors. When he looks at you, his brain latches onto that detail and thinks, huh, that's different. I like that. But here's the key. Less is more. One standout accessory is far more effective than piling on 5 at once. Why? Because it gives his eyes one thing to focus on, you. Bonus psychology. Accessories also create curiosity. That bracelet with a tiny charm, he wonders what it means. That signature necklace, he notices you wear it often, and suddenly it's not just an accessory, it's part of your story. So next time you get dressed, skip the overload. Choose one piece that subtly catches the eye and adds mystery, because mystery is magnetic. 4. The walk factor. Shoes that speak. Most women obsess over which shoes look best, but here's the real secret. Men don't just see your shoes, they see what your shoes do to your walk. Your walk tells him everything. It's not about whether you're wearing heels or flats, it's about whether you're moving with comfort and confidence. High heels can be powerful if they make you feel sexy and sure-footed, but if they're so painful that you wobble like a baby deer, the effect backfires. He doesn't think, wow, she's glamorous, he thinks, ouch, that looks uncomfortable. On the flip side, shoes that make you feel at ease allow you to glide instead of stomp, to move with that natural sway that is hypnotic without even trying. A man may not consciously analyze your footwear, but he notices how they make you carry yourself. A confident walk says, I'm comfortable in my body, I'm comfortable in this moment, and I'm comfortable being seen. So choose shoes that align with how you want to feel, not just how you want to look. That energy, he picks up on it instantly. 5. The texture trick. Next, let's talk about a detail men pick up on subconsciously: texture. Texture adds dimension to your outfit. It's what makes someone lean in, what makes an outfit feel alive rather than flat. Think about it. Silk, satin, cashmere, soft knits, suede, leather, they all create a different emotional response. Why does this work so well? Because texture isn't just visual, it's sensual. It triggers a sense of touch, even if he's not touching you. A soft fuzzy sweater makes you feel approachable, cozy, and inviting. A satin blouse feels sophisticated, sleek, and effortlessly feminine. A leather jacket, strong, bold, and slightly mysterious. These textures send unspoken signals about your mood and personality without you saying a word. And when you mix them, say a soft knit top with structured denim, you create contrast. Contrast creates intrigue. Intrigue makes him want to know more. So next time you're getting dressed, ask yourself, how does this outfit feel? Not just to me, but to anyone who sees it. Because the right texture makes people want to come closer. 6. The subtle signature scent. Now let's move to something invisible, but unforgettable. Your scent. Scent is tied to memory more strongly than any other sense. It's science. One whiff can take someone back to a place, a moment, or a person. This is why having a signature fragrance is a game changer. It doesn't have to be an expensive perfume, but it should feel like you. Something subtle, not overpowering, so you have to lean in to catch it. Apply it lightly, wrists behind your ears, a gentle mist through your hair. The goal is not to announce your presence with a cloud of fragrance. The goal is to leave a whisper behind that makes him think, that smell? It's her. And here's the magic. Every time he catches that scent, again, even if you're not there, it will remind him of you. You've become unforgettable without even trying. 7. The confidence layer. Finally, let's talk about the most powerful style element of all, confidence. You can master every single trick in this video: colors, accessories, textures, but without confidence, none of it shines. Confidence is not arrogance. It's not about being the loudest in the room or the one who needs all the attention. It's a calm energy. It's the way you hold your head high without looking around for approval. It's how you smile at yourself in the mirror because you like what you see, regardless of whether anyone else comments. When you feel good, you radiate it. When you radiate it, men notice, because confidence is magnetic. It tells them, I'm not dressing to win you over. I'm dressing because I already know my worth. And here's the ultimate truth. A woman who owns her style owns the room. It's not the outfit that makes her, it's the woman inside the outfit. Thanks for watching.